Hi everybody, it's Ms Tybl. Today I'd like to go over how to solve a two-step equation with fractions. But before we do this, let's just review what a reciprocal is. Okay, if I pick a fraction, say 2/3, the reciprocal is simply, if you flip that fraction, you'll have the reciprocal. So the reciprocal would be 3/2. What about 4/5? The reciprocal would be 5/4. What happens when we multiply a fraction by its reciprocal? Let's see. 2/3 times 3/2 will be, you multiply straight across, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Alright, now the other one, 4/5 times 5/4. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 over 20 is 20 divided by 20, which is 1. Okay, so recall that when you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, you get 1. Okay, another review here for you is one-step equations with fractions. Remember to isolate your variable when you have a fraction. There's more than one way to do this, but one way would be to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the fraction that you have with your variable. So when you do that here, 3/2 times 2/3, well, that becomes 1. So we have 1y is equal to 6 times 3 is 18, 1 times 2 is 2. So 1y is equal to 18/2, or just 9. Okay, now that we've done a little bit of reviewing, let's go ahead and solve the two-step equations which contain fractions. Remember, first you always want to undo any addition or subtraction first. So we're going to, in the first example here, is we're going to undo that +1 by subtracting 1 from both sides. So on the right, I now have 9. On the left side, the 1's are gone, and I have 2/3 times b equals 9. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the 2/3. We end up with b, 1b, or just b on the left. On the right side, we have 9 times 3, which is 27, and 1 times 2, which is 2, and there's our answer. Remember, you can always check your answer by plugging your solution into the original equation. Okay, ready for the second example? I'm going to undo the -4 by adding 4 first. I end up with 10 on the right side. The 4's are gone on the left, and I have 3/5 times y equals 10. I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 3/5, which is 5/3. On the left side, I have y. On the right side, I have 10 times 5, which is 50. 1 times 3 is 3, so my answer is 50/3. Okay, we'll go over this again in class. I hope that you felt like you can do this. You can go back, replay this video if you'd like, but we'll talk about this some more in class. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.